A four-person team from the University of Guam conducted the first ever coral genetics research on Mog, Pagan, and Sarigan in the Northern Islands.
We didn't have any samples from the Northern Islands so far, and this is what we accomplished in that trip. We collected over 800 coral samples from 10 different species, and we're now going to analyze these samples and compare these samples to figure out how connected those populations are.
The project was years in the making as researchers garnered funds, requested for permits, and rescheduled their work due to COVID travel restrictions. The team spent 10 days in May collecting samples.
Here we looked at how corals are different between the different islands. How is their makeup different, and how are they related to each other? The major question is sort of like how well are coral populations connected across islands, and in what sort of like directionality.
He says their findings will have major implications when it comes to conservation. If one group of coral is destroyed, there's a chance another group could help them recover and repopulate. It will take some time for the results to be fully known. The team now turns their focus to generating the genetic data, analyzing it, and then interpreting the data. He says there's also a lot to learn when it comes to climate change.
Maybe if one group of corals has a harder time, they're less well connected, they're struggling with heat stress, then we could consider helping them along by maybe moving them from island to island.
It's a project that shows just how connected our region is, and for the research team, just how precious our islands are.
Pagan and Mog are just mystical places. It was absolutely fantastic to go up there, and I wish more people had the opportunity to see these islands, see the reefs there. It's really it's been mind-blowing.
Tomas Maglonia for KUAM News.